I welcome you all. My name is Raj Barge. I am co-founder director of Raj Computer Education. Purpose of this site is to provide jobs to the peoples and get them placed into IT industry. So if you have any friends, please refer them, share this site and subscribe. Today we'll be learning four important things. The first is move command, copy command, stretch command and mirror command. Now you should know exactly what is exactly move and copy. These are two important commands and they are part of modifications. All these four commands are part of modifications. That means object is present and you are going to modify it. So what happens? Suppose this is my circle. So I choose my circle command here and I draw somewhere circle here by taking this coordinate. Fine. And then I specify diameter of is this to 10. This is the diameter of my circle. To zoom it out, I will be saying zoom, zoom, all. So it will show the circle. Something is wrong. Zoom, all, very sad. See, this is my circle. Now, what is the first command? The first command is move command. You can say M or you can say move. It moves your object from one location to into another location. So it has basic few operations or few steps. What is that? First, when you say move, it is asking MOVE move. It is asking for select the object. So I selected this circle. Now I know the radius of the diameter of this. The radius of this circle is 10, so diameter becomes 20. So if I have to make some placement, it has to be more than 20. Otherwise, it is going to collapse with one another. So what to do? So first select the object, then press enter. The object is selected. It is asking for something called as displacement. So what is displacement? That means it is asking for base point of displacement. From where it is going to displace. So I am going to say if from this center it is going to displace. So it says what is your second point? So my second point is in this direction. Fine. So it is approximately 25. So I'll be saying at the rate 20 angle 0. So it will displace into that location. That is move command. My circle has moved from this location to this location. This is move command. Now suppose I undo this. I say Control Z and I'm back. I'm undo. If I go to second command, what is that command? That is command is called as copy. You can say CP. Again, this is a modify command. What is copy? That means it will create two objects or more than two objects. So what I do? I come here. I say CP, that is copy, or I can say COPY, copy. Both are same. It's saying select the object. So I selected this. I press enter. Object is selected. It's saying point of displacement. I'll be saying center is my point of displacement, and then you'll be saying where to displace. I'll be saying move this line at 25 coordinates at 0 angle. Move this. So it creates a 2. If again I say specify another point, I will be saying again at the rate point of displacement at the rate 50 angle 0. Fine. It is always asking me for like second point. It is always asking for second point. If I say again at the rate 25 angle 180. So that way it moves. I say enter now. And out of this I say zoom and I say all. It is going to show me all four circles. So these are copy of it. After this copy, we are going for next command, that is stretch command. For stretch, something should be present. So I can stretch it. For stretch, selection is very important. So what happens? I draw something. So I prefer using drawing rectangle. In this corner, I draw some rectangle here. So this is my rectangle. press enter. After drawing this rectangle, this is just a raw rectangle without any dimension. I just switch these commands. That is the reason I've chosen raw commands. Next is stretch. So what is stretch? It's very important. So I say stretch. That is S. So it is saying stretch. STREPCH. Stretch. Then select the object. So I select the object from right side to left side. Then it says stretch select object. So it is saying what is the base point. I'm saying from this point to this point. So it's, and then I press enter. Oh, I missed it. So again I go to same command. Stretch. It says select object. I right clicked and selected it. I say enter. As a point of displacement, I choose the point of displacement and take it up. So it gets stretched. Fine. The last command is something regarding mirror. For mirror, we have to draw something which understands mirror. See, this is a stretch thing now. I can do mirror of this. So how I can create? Mirror can be copy or it can be only one thing. So for mirror, I say mirror, mirror, enter. Please select the object. So I selected this entire object. So I selected this entire object for mirror. Just selecting this object. This object is selected. So I say enter. It says what is the first point to mirror. So I say this is my first point to mirror. Fine. And see, it is now asking me like what way. I click it here and it is saying, do you want to erase existing object? That means do you want to remove this object? I say no, I don't want to remove it. And by default it is no only. So it creates two copies to me. So it created two copies. This is exactly mirror of this. That means this is exactly opposite of this. So mirroring is very important in AutoCAD because if you want to create something like a door which is having this way and that way, both the thing has to be mirrored. That's all. Please try doing this. Thank you. And we'll be coming with the practical assignments on this. Like, share, and subscribe this channel.